Hello guys, today I'm here to review one of the most anticipated product uh, in current days, and in this today's smart world, everybody would like to have this product in their houses. So I have got the device, which is nothing but Google Home Nest Mini. Yeah, this is the box. I have been using this product from last almost a year, 2-3 months, and I was a little worried about how device will function, how it will cope up with my accent, since we are Indian, and whether they will be able to catch up your voice or not. So I literally took 3 months time to understand them, and just to cope up with the way it understand me. So from there on we started using it, and this is just not only the smart speaker for listening music. It is an assistant for you. If you can utilize it properly, it will give you a lot of handy features to you. So I'll start with the box first. So this is how box comes with when you purchase that, and out of the box we have got a charger, the decent charger, but it should have been USB charger, would have been better. But they have given a Google own trademark chargers, which you will not get it anywhere if you have to replace also. That's one biggest challenge with this charger. Okay, and this is the box having features, what are the features mentioned everywhere, and what is it's made in China, even it's written there, and MRP is 4,500 rupees, which is mentioned on. And this is the device. I will plug on to a power so that I can also show you how it functions in the real world. So let me talk about the device. This very tiny small device, tiny device which has a hanger hook in backside. You can hang it on the wall also, or you can place it on the tabletop as well. Okay, and there is a mic button. You can turn it on off if you are only going to use it for the speakers. You want to listen to music, so you can turn it off so that no voice transmission will happen with this, and you can turn it on as well. And this is the power connector through where we can connect the power. So I'll put the power on. Okay, now the moment I powered it on, the 2 lights will come, then slowly all the 4 lights will start blinking on, and when it gets ready, it's give you a welcome sound. Okay, just let it get booted up. I will give you the specifications. This is a 15 watt speaker. It has a Bluetooth 5.1 technology, and it also has a Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz. It doesn't have 5 gigahertz. Okay, so this is only one band support. Okay, and in Google Home, it support multiples media player function. So if I have to talk about, I will start with it support YouTube, it support YouTube Music, and it also support, I'll also show you Wing Music. It also now have supported Hangama Music. It also has support of Ghana and Spotify and JioSaavn. So all the music online provider are supported in this for this device. So you can directly stream while you are connected on the internet. Yeah. So you can without connecting the device also, you can also connect other Bluetooth devices like your other Bluetooth speaker, your TV, your home theater, your sound bar, everything you can connect with this, and it can pass that music to the other device. Yeah, it will continue to be act as is your assistant, and the music will play on the other device. That features also there in this. This is a very nice and handy features. And when we connected on the Google Home app, this will also give you options to add multiple Google Home devices, and it can connect into one. So all the Google Home devices can play one particular music at a time. Yeah, but not with the other speakers or soundbars, which is not there. So when I am connected with the Google Home, this the volume features, we can turn it or turn off. The moment more I reduce the volume, the lights are getting reduced. More I increase, and this how it gets increased up. Okay, so this is how it is. So if I have to speak with this particular device, I will show you how it works. So let me try it out, some of the commands. Hey Google, what is the weather today?
Today in Bengaluru, it will be partly cloudy, with a forecast high of 26 and a low of 18. Right now, it's 25 degrees and partly cloudy. By the way, I can give you lots of information about your day. I'll send you a notification with more to try.
Okay, so it gives a lot of options. That's very nice things. Okay, let me try a few more commands. Okay, hey Google, tell me about some vegetable recipes.
Sure, I've got a recipe called Best Roasted Vegetables Recipe from a couple cooks. This recipe serves 8 and takes about 45 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
Yes, but I need something more.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Do you still want to make that recipe?
No, tell me more.
Tell you more about what?
What vegetable recipes?
Alright, I've got a recipe called Best Roasted Vegetables Recipe from a couple cooks. This recipe serves 8 and takes about 45 minutes to make. Does that sound good?
Okay. Hey Google, can you play music from Ghana?
Alright, music from Ghana. Playing on Hall Theatre.
These are the touch sensors which we have.
पल पल तड़पती है
This is the highest
कहूँ
volume.
दिल का दर्द मैं कैसे आंसू बरसते हैं
I can pause by tapping here. Hey Google, turn on my light.
Alright, turning on the Wipro bulb. Sorry, it looks like the Smidge 10 isn't available right now.
Hey Google, turn off my light. Okay, so that you can understand how the volume works and how the command works, right? And it helps you to turn on your TV, light, all the smart devices. Okay, so I used to work with this only to turn off my lights and TVs and all everything. Even certain function works with the smart TVs as well. So you can give a command to play, pause, open YouTube, any other apps. You can search certain entertainments or any movies you want to search. You can search through that and it will play on the TV. So those functions are there, and it has inbuilt Chromecast. So it can cast into your TV as well. If you want to cast YouTube, you want to cast anything other that, you can cast it through this. So you can always cast with this. So it's a very handy features, but yes, we have to learn how it functions and how it understands you. So for that you might need some times, but it's a good device to have in your house, and it needs a continuous power to plug it on. I was actually trying out if I can put it on the power bank, but I didn't got any cables in such that which can support running this on power bank. If I get any kind of development, I'll definitely update you guys. So I'll definitely recommend this product. I got it on a very good offer, and which is very much handy offer for me from Flipkart. Thanks Flipkart for giving that offer, and this is the best product. Sound quality is very nice, decent, and very loud even. Yes, bass is not that great because small device cannot produce a bass. Yes, it's a decent quality product sounds we can produce. Yeah, and even if you wanted to have a light music to hear, you can use these devices. Yeah, that's all for the guy today. Thank you. Okay, please subscribe my channel and like my videos if it is helping you guys. Thank you.